Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today, we're unpacking something pretty significant. Stripe now supports stablecoin payments. We've got their announcement right here. Our mission really is to figure out what this means for, how we all transact and this whole intersection of traditional finance and crypto.
Yeah, this is definitely one to watch. It could really change things for businesses, especially those operating internationally.
Absolutely. So let's jump in. Stripe rolled this out, just this week?
That's right, this week. And it's support for stablecoin payments.
In over 100 countries, which is, wow.
A massive launch footprint, yeah.
And they specifically mentioned USDC as one they support.
Correct. USDC is a big one, pegged to the US dollar.
So for businesses, this means they can now accept these digital currencies.
Exactly. And for anyone maybe not super familiar, stablecoins like USDC are designed to hold a steady value.
Unlike, say, Bitcoin or Ethereum, which can be much more volatile.
Precisely. That stability makes them, well, more practical for actual day-to-day payments.
Okay, so the global reach is huge. And the focus on stablecoins makes it feel a bit more grounded, maybe.
I think so. It gives businesses a bit more predictability, tying it back to currencies they already understand, like the dollar.
Right. So how does it actually work? If I'm a business using Stripe and I want to accept USDC, what happens?
Well, the announcement highlights that it's designed to be seamless. Easy, low cost.
Okay.
They're using blockchain technology behind the scenes. And the key thing there is the 247 settlement capability.
So potentially faster access to money compared to waiting for traditional bank transfers.
That seems to be the idea. Faster funds and maybe lower fees, particularly for international stuff, which can get expensive.
Interesting. So why is Stripe doing this now? What's their angle?
If you look at Stripe's whole mission, it's always been about making payments easier, especially globally.
True. Simplifying complexity.
Yeah. And this feels like a move to maybe reduce dependence on some of the older banking systems and the correspondent banks, the wiring fees, the delays.
So stablecoins offer a more direct route.
Potentially, yes, a more efficient one. You could even imagine perhaps smaller businesses in, say, developing nations getting easier access to global markets this way.
That's a really powerful implication. Bypassing some traditional barriers.
Could be.
Okay, so what's the vibe from the crypto community? How are they taking this?
Oh, it's been overwhelmingly positive. People are seeing this as a really, really big step.
Or as mainstream adoption?
Exactly that. Stripe is such a major trusted name in payments. Them integrating stablecoins like this gives the whole technology a massive credibility boost.
So it's not just for the existing crypto crowd?
No, I think the feeling is this could be a catalyst. Like, it makes it easier for more traditional, maybe more cautious institutions and businesses to start exploring digital currencies.
Because Stripe's already handling it.
Right. It lowers the barrier to entry. And stablecoins themselves, as you said, they act like a bridge, don't they?
A bridge between regular money, fiat currency, and the crypto economy.
Precisely. Makes it easier to move between those worlds.
So if we sort of zoom out, the big takeaway here is what?
I think the core message is this growing convergence. Traditional finance and crypto aren't totally separate worlds anymore. Stripe's move is making stablecoin payments much more accessible globally.
It's not just adding a feature, it's shaping how payments might work down the line.
Definitely feels like a significant move, yeah.
So something for you listening to think about. How might this increased ease of using stablecoins actually change things, like everyday shopping, or how businesses operate internationally over the next few years? It goes beyond just the tech itself, right? It's about potential shifts in commerce. Thanks for diving in with us today.